Hey, Will King here, and today I want to talk to you about all the different sediment filter options from iSpring. Now, these are going to be the first step in protecting your home or business when it comes to water filtration. So this is going to go before the whole home filter, before the carbon filters, before the heavy metal filters. This is the first step. But there's lots of different options, and honestly, it can be a little confusing or overwhelming when you're trying to pick out which one that you want to buy for your setup. So I want to walk through them and try to give you a little insight over which one of these might be a good selection for you. We're going to start with the entry-level filter first. So this is the WSP model. All these are WSP series. It's just going to be different versions of it as we go throughout this lineup. So this is going to be the entry point. So this is a 50 micron filter. And so you can see the screen inside of it. So basically as water comes through, it's going to flow through this, and this screen is going to be what traps any larger particles like hair, rock, mud, dirt, that kind of thing, that's going to protect all of your filters downstream from this. Before you get to your carbon filters and your more expensive filters that you have to replace, this is what's going to protect them and extend the life of them, because you don't want large particles getting to those. And I will say, if you don't have a whole home filter and you want something for protection in your house, this is a great entry point, because this is going to be what helps keep those shower heads in your house from getting clogged up, those little screens. All those particles will get trapped here first. It has a flush valve on the bottom. This is a manual valve, so you have to, it's a barb fitting, and drain it. Now, they recommend daily or weekly flushes of this, depending on your water usage and how bad your water is in your area. It does have a mounting bracket that comes with this, and I've got several of these installed myself. This is a really good sediment filter solution. So next step up is really, it looks similar, it looks identical actually, but it has a cartridge on the inside of this metal filter, the screen, that's Siliphos. I hope I'm saying that right, but what that is designed to do is basically prevent corrosion and help stop some of the buildup inside your appliances and pipes in your house. Now with that, that little cartridge has to be replaced. Now if we go up to the next one, this is the GR version of this sediment filter. So this has a built-in pressure gauge. So it's really nice to have a pressure gauge on your system, so that you know your incoming water pressure from your municipality or your well or wherever you're getting your water. You know where your pressure is. It also has a rotatable brass connection on it, which is nice because depending on how your water system is and your water lines and where you're mounting this, you have the ability to go both vertical and horizontal with it. So that's a really good add-on to this particular one. And also this is going to have, and really all of these do, so you have two options for thread. So you have a 3/4 inch threading system here on the inside, or you can go on the outside of it and have an actual 1 inch thread. So it gives you better, or I guess more options in terms of plumbing this into your system. So in addition to the built-in pressure gauge, we also have basically blades that are going to scrape the side of the metal screen. So you can see the white part rotating in there. And what that's doing is cleaning that screen, so then when you flush it manually, it gets more of the gunk, more of the sediment off, and helps make that cleaner. So that's a really good add-on too. So then we move on up to the next series. This is going to be the ARB, which is really nice too, because in addition to having those blades that we just talked about, it also has an automatic flush valve. So this is more of like a set and forget type application. So you're going to have a nice touch screen here that you're going to be able to program to flush on whatever schedule that you wish it for it to be. So it could be daily, it could be weekly. Now it does require a power supply, so you have to keep that in mind. It's got a plug-in on it, so you can plug this into any wall outlet and have the ability to then keep it energized. In addition to the power supply option, you can also power this with 3 AA batteries. That's actually included in the box when you get this from iSpring. So depending on where you're going to install it, you know, the battery option might be the best for you, but if you have the ability, especially if you're building a new house and you're roughing in for it, I would encourage you to add a plug somewhere, maybe above the water lines, but then you can plug it in, and that really makes it a more set and forget option. Now, if we want to talk about larger houses, commercial use, a lot more capacity, they have this available here to you as well. So this is going to be the ARJ series. So it looks very similar. It has the same type screen filter on the inside. but it's a much larger. This is a 1 gallon capacity cartridge, and actually can have a 25 GPM output. So that would be well suited for any type of commercial space, most commercial spaces in large houses. It has the same touchscreen feature, so you can do a set and forget flush system, so you don't have to manually flush it every day or every week. It's gonna do it automatically for you, which is really nice. And there's another version of this one too that actually has a bypass valve on top. And what's neat about that, it's really more like a pool pump. So if you're servicing this, you can rotate the bypass valve on top, and then you can drain this, unscrew it, clean it. Meanwhile, the rest of your water, the rest of your house is still getting water sent throughout the system. So that's also a good option. And this also has the Siliphos option as well that you can buy. So that's also going to help with corrosion and build up inside your pipes and your appliances, and help, just prolong the life of things like your ice maker, for example. So I hope this helps. There's a lot of options out there, but again, I'm a big fan of sediment filters. You need to start with this on your water supply. When you clean some of these out a few times, you'll understand why it's so important to have on your water system.